This just gets better and better. Okay, so this is Jill Mattoon. That's that judge that the state of Colorado said doesn't know her law. Well, I've got lots of proof that that's true. So anyways, here's the eminent domain case. This is proof that they ordered unfixed debts to be paid by my property, which is a crime. Now look at this. Pueblo West Metropolitan District. Sorry, Jill Mattoon, I am not Pueblo West Metropolitan District. So if you want to hold them accountable to the credit cards, go ahead. Well, it appears that you're holding everybody else accountable to everybody else's debt. Just look. So here is the debts. Oh, and let me tell you, these. Look at the amount. $2,457.72. Well, if you look at the credit card debt owed to me, which Discover Bank's sending me a copy, you'll see that soon that this is not the amount. So this is theft. This is bank robbery, major bank robbery. Okay? And it gets even better. Just wait. So this is a court order. I never consolidated my loans. I never did any of that, which makes your credit card debts fixed debt. But they did not have property lien. Anyways, let's go back here some more. So Jill Mattoon, this really nice, competent judge who knows her law, it makes everybody appear that we could all be judges then in America. If this is how they act, we could all be a judge. So anyways, my name is not here. This is an order. This is a legal document. It's a court order put in filing in 1967, CV 17664, November 27, 2016. I am now being held to paying debts for this gentleman, Elmer J. Aguirre, Aguirre's property. Now, hell, I don't have no clue who this guy is. I have no affiliation. I have no responsibility to this man's property and his debt. However, my property is being tried and charged for this man's debts. How is that possible? That is so illegal. That is grand theft. That is robbery. That's racketeering. That is embezzling. That's laundering money. That's a major crime. And she thinks that because she's a judge, Jill Mattoon thinks because she's a judge that she can't be tried by the FBI. Whoa. Well, you just keep thinking that, Jill Mattoon. That's going to work good for you. Oh, and check out this lady. Her husband is a DA. His name is Frederick Mattoon. Be it that Frederick Mattoon is in the DA's office and that the DA is pressing charge against me in 15 CR 1287, Jill Mattoon cannot, by the conflict of laws and the Constitution and the color of law, be a judge in any case of mine, while the DA has a criminal case on me. She would have, because her husband is in the DA office as an attorney. And so that's a conflict of interest. Then this woman, as soon as she took the water case and took the money, she then goes and files as the judge in the custody case of Olivia. And then she closes it. Yeah, she denied me all rights. She's the one who forced me to proceed while I was held at CMHIP in this case. I mean, you talk about some major conflicts, and then she says there's nothing that they can do to her. Nothing the FBI could ever do to her. Same with David Krockenberg, same with Craig Schaefer and Deborah Eiler, and all these judges say, there's nothing you can do. Well, yes, you call us customers, and you say that you're operating as a business, so that gives the FBI full reign. They don't have to do the judicial immunity laws with you because you have a preponderance of notices to cease and desist operating as a business and calling us customers. Don't worry, they have everything on my phone. Thanks for participating, Jill Mattoon. See you in life in prison, because it gets even better. Oh, and then Jill Mattoon and Frederick Mattoon are friends with the Swordfurgers, Keith Swordfurger, the people who demolished my property illegally. And this judge allowed David Lytle to proceed in this case without a license with the state. Oh, it gets even better. Don't worry. I got lots to come here. Lots of stuff to tell you. It gets even bigger how dirty this little whole cronyism and nepotism is going on in Pueblo, Colorado. How many other people are getting screwed over? Yesterday, I found a gentleman whose daughter was taken from him, a middle schooler, taken without any just cause, any legal justification, and put her in the Boys and Girls Ranch, and the judges and some of the other law actors were raping the children there, sexually raping them in Pueblo, Colorado. Well, let me tell you a good correlation. Charlene Graham is on the board at the Boys and Girls Club and Ranch, and so is Joe Woodick. Get a correlation, people? Do your homework. Keep digging. Keep digging. It gets even bigger.